This is a super easy custard recipe. You can use it for banana pudding, just eating by itself, or you can make a banana cream pie. First, we're going to need 2 1/3 cups of milk. Go ahead and add those to your saucepan. After you've got that added, you're going to add 2/3 cup white sugar. You're going to go ahead and add that to your milk. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Use whatever kind you have on hand. We're going to turn the heat on, medium-high. Make sure you whisk this really good. We're going to dissolve all of the sugar and all of the salt. Once this comes to a boil, we are going to boil it for 1 minute. I just remembered, you also need 1/4 cup of cornstarch and add it straight into your mixture. This is what will thicken your pudding, of course. To a separate bowl, you're going to go ahead and add your 4 eggs and whisk them thoroughly. Occasionally stir this so it doesn't scorch the bottom. Okay, it's boiling now and it's really thickened up. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. And now what you're going to do, you're going to slowly ladle a little bit at a time of the mixture into your eggs, and you have to be whisking it at the same exact time. That way the eggs do not scramble and cook. Just do about, it says a 1/2 cup on the recipe, but if you have one of these spoons, just do about 2 of these, but add it very slowly at a time while you're whisking. What you're doing is tempering the eggs. Just means it's bringing them to the slowly to the temperature of your mixture. That way they don't cook. Alright, once you've done that, we're going to add this to our mixture. Now we're going to turn the heat back on to like a medium low. We're going to heat it back up for at least another minute or 2 to make sure the egg is thoroughly cooked. Alright, as soon as you get it to a boil again, you need to cut the heat off and remove it from the heat. Then you are going to add 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla and 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to add what I have left on my dish. Make sure it's removed from the heat when you do this step. And a little trick I always do, just add a capful. I'm just going to put mine in this container and store it in the fridge. But I absolutely love it when it is warm. It is so good, y'all. And it's really good for those people that don't want to use flour. Just use the cornstarch to thicken it.